flower friends. It's your friend in flowers, Lisa. And hey, I am here today to invite you in just a few minutes to jump inside the app to join me for the live shop and show where I'm highlighting our harvest. But more importantly, friends, I am demonstrating direct sewing today on the show, as well as we're just going to have a lot of darn fun. And we have some kind of a little bundle special for you. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love having no weeds in my direct sown beds in the spring. And that's what I'm going to teach about today. And I have a way that you can do that. We have a little special going on. And let's see what else. So we've got the, I'm going to be talking about the kind of the tips that I follow with direct sewing. And then we're kind of finishing up our harvest. It was pretty chilly here this morning. And sometimes we have to draw that line in the sand and say, you know what? They're still growing, but they might not be worth growing at this time of the year, right? So we're going to take a look at, I've got some eucalyptus and zinnias and, you know, the standard operating procedure, pumpkin on a stick, and some things that I want to share with you and talk to you about today. So join me inside the app. If you don't have our app, y'all just grab it from your phone's app store or comment app here, and I'll DM you the link, but it's free. And when you're inside the app watching the live show, you can sign up for the giveaway. I'm giving away a $25 store credit today. As well as you can make favorites list. I mean, there's just a lot of great features, and you can see the videos and you can watch the replays. Anyway, it's just tons of fun. So every Friday at 12 noon Eastern time, we have our show, and it's inside the app. And if you join us here on social media, we'll certainly welcome you, but you just can't partake. You can't talk to the other live viewers in the comments like you can in the app. So really check it out. So today the giveaway is $25 store credit, which is always fun to give away. And I can't wait to show y'all. I'm actually direct seeding my cool flowers that prefer it that way this evening. So I'm going to be taking tips from myself today, reminders of what I need to do. So meet me 12 noon Eastern time, right inside the phone app. You can certainly watch it on social, but you don't get to participate. And we'd love to have you on the inside. So grab it from your phone's app store or comment app here, and I'll DM you the link to just jump in there and get it. All right, friends, see you in just 6 minutes on the inside. And I'm going to show you how I hoe. That's going to be a lot of fun, y'all. Ciao.